This video is intended to review comparing numbers written in scientific notation. Let's take a look at the first example. We're being asked to place the following numbers in order from least to greatest. They're all written in scientific notation, which actually makes them very easy to compare. The first thing we're actually going to look at here is our exponent. When we look at the exponent, what we need to know is that the larger exponent will actually yield a larger number. Therefore, if we want to put these in order from least to greatest, we just look at the exponents. The smallest exponent, in this case the negative 11, will actually make this entire term the smallest number. Therefore, it is first in our list. The next smallest will be 5.2 times 10 to the negative 2. From here we move to 2.7 times 10 to the 4th. And finally, the largest exponent in our list is 3.6 times 10 to the 6th. And we have now put these numbers in order from least to greatest. Of course, not every single problem like this will be that simple. Sometimes we have a situation like the second example here. If you notice, we have two terms written in scientific notation with the exact same exponents. Should we have a situation like this, we begin by looking at the exponents, and we can tell right off the bat that our term 5.1 times 10 to the negative 9 will be our smallest number because it has the smallest of the exponents. If we move forward, though, we'll realize that we have two terms that have an exponent of negative 2. If this happens, just compare the decimal term in front. Therefore, we compare 4.12 and 2.26. We know that the entire term 2.26 times 10 to the negative 2 is actually a smaller term, which then we have 4.12 times 10 to the negative 2, and finally our largest term is 1.08 times 10 to the third because it has the largest of the exponents.